So today's burning question is if I list my house with you, how often will you schedule open houses? Um, this is Dan McCool, Realtor with Krista Hopkins Homes, and we're doing 30 questions in 30 days. Again, the question today is if I list my home with you, how often will you schedule an open house? The answer to that is we try to schedule a open house the very first weekend after we list it. We generally try to list on a Thursday. That way we'll give people somewhat of an opportunity before the open house to take a look at it on a Thursday and Friday. Schedule open houses the first weekend after the listing goes live. So that would be on Saturday and Sunday. That will generally generate the most traffic for a new listing. If it doesn't sell right away and things are taking a little bit longer on the market right now, then we will continue scheduling open houses every other weekend until it's sold. That way we don't stack them all up one on top of the other. It gives people to come and do a private showing on the weekend if they need to, every other weekend. But it still gets a lot of exposure from the open houses as well. It also gives the homeowner a bit of a break if they don't want to have to leave the house every weekend. But you're still going to have to leave the house when there are showings. So again, the quick answer here is we will schedule an open house the first weekend after it's listed, and then every other weekend after that. Again, thanks for listening. Stay curious. See you again tomorrow.